In today's video, we will be taking a look at the best PC cases you can buy as a gamer this year. And as usual, we have the links to all the cases mentioned in the description below. And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Coolermaster MasterCase H500. For anyone looking for a touch of a high-end PC case, but at an affordable price, Coolermaster MasterCase H500 comes as a great choice. You will get not only the premium looks, but also a great set of features that would satisfy even the most demanding users. A quality build with swappable front panel, decent storage capabilities, two 2.5 3.5-inch drive bays, and two 2.5 SSD drive bays, and great cooling options with support for 4 to 6 fans depending on their size, from 120mm till 200mm, and positioning, and up to 3 radiators, from 120mm till 360mm in size depending on the location. Coolermaster MasterCase H500 comes as one of the best affordable PC case options on the market. With full ATX support, tempered glass side and front panel, and coming already equipped with two 200mm RGB fans and an RGB controller. Coolermaster MasterCase H500 presents a full package product that is just predestined for success. If you want a case with a bit of exclusivity for a great price, this is the one to purchase. Number 4. NZXT H710i. If you are a more demanding PC enthusiast or gamer with a need for a lot of storage and expansion capabilities, NZXT H710i is the case for you. It is spacious, built out of steel with a tempered glass side and discrete RGB strip, premium looks, and durability in one. There is a lot of storage space, 2 plus 2 3.5-inch drive bays and 7 2.5-inch drive bays, 7 card slots, and even a place for a vertical GPU mount. NZXT H710i comes with 4 pre-installed AER fans, 3 120mm in front and a single 140 in the rear, that are fully controllable over the CAM software and offers enough space for additional 3 120mm or 2 140mm fans at the top of the case. Also, there are plenty of options for liquid cooling and the possibility for installation of numerous radiators with a size of up to 360mm. NZXT H710i comes with a 2-year warranty, offers easy installation, very quiet performance, and most importantly, provides a solid airflow that guarantees good heat management of every configuration. Number 3. Coolermaster Cosmos C700M. Great quality usually means a higher price, and Coolermaster Cosmos C700M is no exception. Nevertheless, its unlimited list of features, combined with excellent performance and great design, make it worth it. Of course, if you can afford it. This PC case offers basically everything that a user might need. Easy reconfiguration, future-proof design, even integrated ARGB lighting. There are numerous expansion options, 5 3.5-inch drive bays, 4 2.5-inch drive bays, 8 card slots, 1 5.25-inch external bay, etc. Good connectivity with 4 USB 3.0 ports and 1 USB 3.1 Type-C port, and a kinda modest 2-year warranty, considering the chassis' excellent build quality. Coolermaster Cosmos C700M provides very quiet operations and, more importantly, excellent thermal performance that puts it above the cases such as NZXT H710i, or is quiet. Dark Base 700. The main reason for such quality thermal management is a good airflow design, as well as 3 large 140mm fans in the front and 1 140mm fan placed in the rear end of the chassis that are included in the package. There is also room for 3 additional 140mm fans on top and 2 140mm ones at the bottom, but also enough space for all sorts of liquid cooling, including the multiple 420mm radiators. Overall, Coolermaster Cosmos C700M is a very large high-end full-tower PC case with great characteristics and looks, and without a doubt the best PC case you can buy for your gaming adventures. Number 2. Thermaltake View 91 RGB Plus. For people searching for a high-end workstation case that is sleek-looking, spacious, and offers quality cooling at the same time, there is no better choice than the Thermaltake View 91 RGB Plus. Yes, it is a bit expensive, but on the bright side, it gives a lot for that price. There is space for up to 12 drives, either 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch, 20 120mm fans, or 18 140mm, 8 200mm ones. It comes already equipped with 4 140mm ring plus RGB fans, enough room for up to 4 radiators from 280 to 480mm in size, and utterly amazing, enough room for a 600mm long graphics card. With Thermaltake View 91 RGB Plus, you just get it all. A unique design, great storage, and cooling capacity that almost has no match among other products. What's even better than that, other than the aforementioned high price and rather heavy weight of 30 kilograms, there are no other drawbacks. Number 1. Corsair Obsidian 1000D. Corsair Obsidian 1000D is a very elegant but large PC case designed for people who need a 2-computer device in one, or are just fans of spacious cases and good airflow. Thanks to its construction, this case supports up to 2 motherboards, up to an eATX and a mini ITX, 2 PSUs, and offers a separate front panel for each of the 2 boards with their own power and reset buttons, along with USB connectors. Corsair Obsidian 1000D is built out of aluminum with a tempered glass front and side panels, and it supports various cooling and storage options. There is enough space for 4 massive radiators, up to 18 fans, 8 in the front, along with 5 3.5-inch and 6 2.5-inch drive bays, which is enough even for the most demanding users. Unfortunately, although Obsidian 1000D is an exceptional product, its price tag is just too high when compared with the majority of other cases. For that reason, unless you are in a demand for a 2 motherboard case, better skip this one and choose one that's more fit to your budget. And as usual, a bonus option: Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900. Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 comes as an improved version of the 2016's case, with some rather interesting new features, such as the new fan controller, 3 140mm silent wings, 3 fans, support for USB 3.1 Gen 2, PSU cover, and an LED strip support. With a good but rather outdated design, this new case version offers plenty of features and enough flexibility for a serious PC build, including the high-end rigs. Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 is spacious enough for up to 14 2.5-inch drives or 7 3.5-inch ones. It has 10 fan mounting positions. It supports large cooling systems, graphics cards with 472 millimeters in length, and eATX motherboards. Although there are plenty of cases in its class that offer more appealing aesthetics, more features, and better performance, the quiet Dark Base Pro 900 still presents a quality altogether option, mostly due to its spacious metal aluminum build, great versatility, and very silent performance, a combination of features that not many cases can offer. Thanks for watching, and help us reach 100,000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button below.